Hey guys, it's Chris out of the party here. Today we're going to teach you how to solve a Rubik cube by just starting off. Let's look at the cubes first. First of all, you got all the cubes. Don't worry about the others for the moment. Let's start off with scrambling the cube. Okay, first of all, you gotta start with the deity. Now what deity is, it's basically like a flower. So, see how you got the middle yellow? And these are the centerpiece. And the centerpiece will never move, even by turning. It will always stay the same. No matter if you turn left or right, they'll always stay the same. Start with the deity. All you gotta do is basically do this. So first of all, you turn this cube. Yeah, basically you gotta find the middle white. So see how that's really in place. You gotta find another middle white. Here it is. So that goes up like that. Then you use the other one. Like that. Then you spin this around. Turn this clockwise. And you turn this clockwise. Yeah, basically you gotta find the middle white. So see how that's really in place. Another middle white. Here it is. So that goes up like that. Then you use the other one. Like that. Then you spin this around. Turn this clockwise. And then you turn this clockwise. Okay, once you got the deity, I know that will go you a while, but once you got that, then you go on to next bit. The next bit, you try to get the top bit and the middle piece lined with the blue sort of thing. I'll show you how that goes. Okay, see how you line up with the green? Good. Now flip it upside down. And then once you do that, then you should create a white cross. Now you got the white cross. Now here's the next stage. Looking for a white corner piece on the corner, just like that. So now what you gotta do, you gotta match the corner to its color. So say orange, that will be the tail. Okay. Then on the other side, you flip that down to it's on it. You find a white piece like that, then make it go back up it just like that. If you find another piece like that, that's good too. Just keep going. That's the farthest I can go, but I ain't showing you how to just start off so far. Okay guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below and put a notification bell and push that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.